Hi dear friends, welcome back to the ElhamExpert channel. Today we're going to transform a lady into a peacock. Watch how technology creates such magic. We're going to use ChatGPT for this, my forever companion in the AI world. With ChatGPT's help, we can write prompts that power AI tools to create wonders like this. It's time to copy it. Now we paste this prompt. Let's hit the generate button and wait for the result. As you can see, the result is truly amazing. Now let's watch the scene again because it's really interesting and outstanding. Now that we have this video, it's time to leverage the power of social media. By sharing this video on Instagram, TikTok and other platforms, you can earn great rewards. AI not only help us create creative content, but you can also use this content to generate income. So what are you waiting for? Start using these tools to create creative content and earn money. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments. I love to hear your feedback.